Oh, this YouTuber has got a 100 subscriber play button. That's amazing. It currently reads 129 because he has that amount of subscribers. How does it feel to get 100 subscribers?
Um, it feels like I have done nothing.
Okay then. I understand. Like that doesn't really mean anything. You're not a great YouTuber. Like you're anywhere near from like to a great YouTuber. But well, are you proud of yourself?
Not really. I just want to make money.
Okay then. Well, you must get 1,000 subscribers for that. So, how long do you think that you have to grind for those 1,000 subscribers?
One day, if everyone searches GLKV into YouTube, so that means everyone search GLKV and subscribe to the channel, so we can make some money.
Wait, that's true. Hey, subscribe.